You have to start it. You built it.
Yeah.
I want to hear it.
Because we're only getting warmed up.
I kept the faith, keeping the faith. I know you got it. Yeah, out of my way, give me some space, just family around me.
Hello and welcome back to the channel, where today is a bit of an exciting day because after 2 long years we're about to go and pick up one of our biggest project cars to date. You have seen this car before, but not like this. Let's go pick it up and show you what we've been working on.
Woman you see by my side, she gave me reason to fight. Yes, mama, we made it, I know that you proud. Dad always told me stay true to the route. It's for the veal, golden the teal. Kids walk around with the gold in their grill. Told you I'm focused, I never lost hope, and I'm giving them something they feel. I keep it trill, ain't no counterfeit. How does it feel if you doubt it? It's still who we
I'm excited, I am excited.
Good.
Nervous and excited. It's lower than it was.
Yeah. We've actually, that's actually got a bit of air in it because actually you can't get paper under it when it's completely aired out. So
Yeah, that's what I want.
this time around we changed things up a bit, so you don't slam this closed now and it stays shut. So you.
Okay. Ooh, it's fancy, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a bit nice. And
That's better in the black.
Loads better, isn't it?
Got little logos here and there as well.
There's loads of extra touches. You're going to be looking.
It's a lot better than it was before.
Yeah.
It's a lot more finished.
Even just little things like.
Like that being in black. 'Cause
Yeah,
before
that's-
it was plated,
That's
wasn't
it,
it? Like
yeah,
silver,
yeah.
It looked,
And it scratches
like-
off.
Yeah.
So that's Cerakoted. And then even little things like we just put an extra tongue in here so it doesn't chip the paint. So just a lot more thought into everything.
You only
But-
find them things out once you put it together and use
You do,
it. though,
yeah,
don't you?
yeah. Essentially, first time was a dry build.
It was a very expensive and
Dry build,
long-winded way to dry build something, but yeah, it does look good. I'm impressed with that, boys. And the leather actually looks all right against the colour.
It does,
I was
yeah.
well worried about
Yeah.
that.
I think the main thing I was more worried about was the spotlight. For some strange reason, I was like, he's not going to like that.
That's bullet.
I don't, well, Steve was adamant we were having that. He had that
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
cupboard for
When
ages.
Steve come out with it, I was just like,
at
It's
that.
fucking cool, isn't it? Yeah.
You have to start it. You
Okay.
built it.
Yeah.
I want to hear it. Start it.
Do you want the open pipes?
Yeah, of course. That's closed pipes. I know the sound of this. So here we are then, our biggest project ever, and it's back with a totally new look. Now, to some of you that don't know this car, and maybe you've looked at some of the old pictures, you might not notice all of the additions. However, this car has undergone a 2-year restoration. Not only did we go ahead and change the colour, we've done a ton more work on little details that at first sight you might not spot. Things that obviously stand out: side exit exhausts now, those used to come out right underneath near the firewall, now they come out of the wings. We've actually extended some of the bodywork down just to get it a little lower and a little more level all round. We've changed the colour of the bedwood. We have kept our original interior because I love the colour of it and I wasn't sure it'd work, but it goes together really nice with the contrast of the rest of the car. We've also gone ahead and done all of the details like this. Used to be polished, they're now in black. We've gone away with all the polished work that was in the bed. That's now all black as well. Wheel centres are black and they're extra wide now, so we've gone for more dish on those, bit more of an aggressive stance. The car's running the same power, but it's also had a full rebuild. Every nut and bolt of this car has been apart and now put back together in perfect A1 condition. This for me was the ultimate dream, and overall I'm really happy with how this looks now. There's a couple of little things we need to do. We need to get it detailed, we need to refine down that paint, get a few layers of wax on it, but other than that, she's ready for a big showcase at the biggest show in Europe, Essen. So we're going to get it cleaned up, get it on a trailer, take it out to Germany and show it off to the awaiting public.
Yeah. You gotta say something to get my heart back, baby. You gotta say something. My skinny jeans, your leggings. No two gon' do better. But you gotta love yourself first. Before I could be that brother. Grow a little, gotta search. Get in touch with your feelings. Know you hate the 9 to 5. You live in the catch the spot. I'll be your Mufasa. I'm your Leo, I'm your lion. I don't really care about your hair length or your diet.
So the stand is set and the Chevy is in place, and it's time for us to give it its first detail in its new colour. With the paint being fresh, we're not going to go wild at this point. We will probably just lay down some ultra glaze, some illusion wax on top, and it should look 100. The paint shop have actually done a really good job already of finishing out the paint after their work. There's a couple of areas that just want a little refining. I'm going to go ahead and do those, mainly on the uppers that you see under these lights. And then we'll be ready to do tyres, glass, other details, and show it off to the public. Let's go.
Top 10 radar, yeah, we on your radar. Never miss, dog, and that's on occasion. Yeah, we on your radar. Yeah.
Hey, look, top floor, lifestyle, chef and boy, I'm cooking up. Way too high, ain't coming down, you see me if you looking up. I don't really talk too much, I show them run the numbers up. Lucky that I'm strolling up, I'm going off, they know what's up. Wrist too silly, yeah, numbers crack the billy. Yeah, don't need no dilly, I'm too fresh, I feel like really, yeah. Feel the duffels up the sign, I need a million. I'm about to take off, and I know that I'm on they radar.
Top 10 radar, yeah, we on your radar. Never miss, dog, and that's on occasion. Yeah, we on your radar. Yeah,
look, I know God got his hand on me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. So when they know my name overseas, that is something God oversees. Living life they think is make believe. It ain't magic, nothing on my sleeve. Never noticed what you had to give, but want a piece of what you do receive.
Truck's wiped down, so now all we've got to do is lay down some ultra glaze, glaze that paint up, put a wax on top, do the windows, and then we should be good to go.
Yeah, I'm in your town, I'm coming your way, just wait up. Me and my team ain't taking no L's. I told them you don't wanna play us. We going out town with a flight in the morning. Said fuck it, I'm just gonna stay up. Remember last year, I told them the price, and now they all wanna pay up. They hit me now, they coming too late. All I reply is just save up. Me and my guys, we did it ourselves, so no one can say that they made us. They gave me the shit, they trying to guard me. I told them you gotta go straight up. We eating for days, I've been in the gym. I swear that I'm getting my weight up. Yeah. Oh, I seen it all. You